Hello guys, today we are playing Transmorpher in Kizzy, not sponsored. So, what is Transmorpher? So it's a puzzle platform which you can play as the shape-shifting crew laboratory, absorb various creatures as you try to reach each exit. Let's play. This game is so fun. Let's go to level 1. I'm a little blob. Does he look cute? Yes. It's almost like anti-gravity. Let's go to the next level. Let's go. Oh no.
Team keep out. Jump. Jump again.
Okay, good. Next level. This game is quite cool. As you can see, guys, we should absorb different guys. So I can absorb that guy. And look, I am this guy right now, and he has this special feature. Milan, what's the special feature?
He can travel walls to walls, up and down, and
yeah, that's so cool.
so it'll be easier to go on walls instead of gravity changing.
Now let's change our character back to this guy to go down. You can mutate. Wow.
Let's mutate.
I have no idea.
Oh! So mutate like we can come through stuff.
Oh my god, guys, look at what happened to this guy. We need to become that guy.
You fell.
We fell. Let's restart the game.
As you know, you can jump.
So the plan is we will use this green blob guy to jump.
And then we mutate him to that guy.
Oh my god. What does mutate mean?
Mutate means change someone to another guy.
Oh, so we can change
while we're jumping. Or absorbing.
Oh no. This is so hard, guys. Look at that. Look at that cute creature. It's so hard to control him. I guess we should get the blue guy. Come the blue guy. He looks a bit better.
Maybe my meanings of mutate is maybe you should jump and
okay, I know. We will change this guy and oh my goodness. Why is this so hard?
Maybe.
But he is cute though. We have to jump. Whee! Yep, finally we came.
Why didn't we mutate?
I have no idea. Now again, we have the ads. Okay, this level is seeming harder and harder. Let's go and jump on these guys.
And what's that then? That you see this silver? There's some eye coming out.
Look at this. We can't even jump. I know. We will change to this guy.
Look, there's an eye there.
So my brother can just so
let's check out.
oh my god, guys, this is hard. I guess we need to jump on these people.
Maybe